Hey guys, how are you all doing? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. If you guys are new around here, my name is Amanda and this is my channel, Amanda's Daily Dish. In today's video, I am going to be doing a 10-minute tidy. I'm just going to be cleaning up the usual everyday things that I normally get done around the house. So if you guys are looking for just a little bit of cleaning motivation to get you guys up off of the couch and get some stuff done, this is the perfect video to watch because it won't take you very long and you guys will get a bunch of motivation to get going with your day and get some stuff done. So as you guys can see, I'm starting off in my bedroom. This is typically where I like to start off because I like making my bed and just kind of getting that area straightened out. Today I'm not really getting dressed in clothes, like going out clothes. I'm wearing lounge clothes, which I know many of you guys probably can totally relate to, but Walmart has been killing it in the loungewear lately. These pants are from Walmart and they are so super comfortable, and I'm all about looking for comfy clothes. So I'm just laying out my pajamas for tonight. Those are also from Walmart, and again, just a super find, and I'm so happy with all of the bright, refreshing colors for springtime. And honestly guys, I am just making my bed and cleaning off my night tables in my bedroom today. I do have laundry to fold and stuff like that, but you can't get everything done every day. So do not stress about it if your house is not 100% perfect. We are struggling to keep up with things, to homeschool the kids, to keep the house clean, and just, it's just a lot of work. So do not stress about not getting everything done. We are all in the same boat. And here I'm just straightening out the utensil drawer. I'm unloading the dishwasher, which I like to do in the morning because we had just loaded it the night before. So that's the first thing I like to do. And we still have dishes in the sink that I didn't finish from last night. So definitely not perfect here. But frankly, I thought it was more important to go hang out with the kids and play some board games and watch movies than stay in the kitchen and do dishes the whole night. And if you guys are enjoying this video and you like videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up down below so that YouTube knows that you want to see more of my videos and more videos like this. And even better, if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the little notification bell so you guys get notified when I post future videos, because I would absolutely love to have you a part of my little family here on YouTube. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to go ahead and load the dishes from the sink and put those in the dishwasher.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleep. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me.
There's still a few dishes left in the sink, so I'm going to make sure that I get those all cleaned up before I move on to the next area, because I don't want to let the dishes start accumulating in the sink, that is for sure. And I will tell you what, I cannot wait to have my extra large one basin sink again. I really miss that. I really find no use for the two sides in the sink. So if you are building a house or doing a kitchen renovation in the near future, that is my suggestion. Get the one large sink. You don't need two sides. Same thing goes for the kitchen faucet here. It is too short. I need to have one that is taller. I'm used to having one that comes up way higher. And then the sprayer, there's a little broken piece there and it keeps kind of just flailing around and it's driving me insane. So I was on Wayfair yesterday actually picking out a new faucet. So we are hoping to get to that part of the renovation sooner rather than later.
For a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets
Alright, so I'm just finishing up polishing the sink here, and then that is it for the kitchen. At least I can go on with the rest of the day with a tidy kitchen, so when we prepare meals it is nice and clean and organized. And the last finishing touch that I'm going to do, which most of you guys, if you guys watch me normally, you'll know that I like to light a candle once everything is tidy. So I am so excited to show you guys the candle I got from Charmed Aroma. I am obsessed with their products, you guys. You find a piece of jewelry in every candle or bath bomb. How fun is that? There are so many amazing scent blends, and their jewelry is seriously, it never disappoints, you guys. I just love everything that I've ever gotten from there. It is such an amazing gift idea or a treat for yourself, and the ring will always fit too, because you choose the ring size when you purchase, so you don't need to worry about that. Now I do have a coupon code for you guys for 10% off. It'll be down below in the description box. Now this clip I took the next day. I just wanted to show you guys what I got inside my candle. So this is how you get your piece of jewelry out, is wrapped in a little foil packet. And then once you unwrap it, there's a little baggie in there, and then you pop open the baggie and your jewelry is in there. Like, how awesome is that? I got the prettiest ring here. Now the ring also comes with a little code, so you type in the code on their website and it'll tell you the estimated value of the ring, because if you are lucky enough, you get a really expensive ring. And this candle was from the Sterling Silver Vintage Collection, and it gave me such a pretty ring. Okay, so now I'm just going to take care of some business in the living room and just get this place cleaned up. It is not too messy in here, but I do like to vacuum this rug once a day, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it a quick vacuum, make sure all of the crumbs and dust are all picked up around there, because it drives me nuts. It's a light colored rug, so it basically shows everything, so that's why I like to vacuum it as often as I can.
Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. Sabotage. You're a
Alright, I know some of you guys who are watching probably have nice green grass outside and the flowers are growing, and if you look outside my window right now, everything is still brown. I'm waiting for everything to turn green and colorful and bright, but that's just the way springs are. Up here where we live, everything is just brown for weeks after the snow melts, until the weather gets warm enough for the grass and the flowers and plants and all that good stuff to start growing again. So this room is quite big, so there's a lot of vacuuming to get done, but I won't be doing any floor washing, because that I do basically, I would say every second or third day, but I do a lot of spot cleaning. Like if I see a dirty area, then I'll go ahead and take the mop and just mop that area rather than the whole entire floor. And our little board game area here is looking pretty cluttered, so I'm just going to tidy it up a little bit. There's still some of their Easter toys over here, but I think in the next video I am going to straighten this up. It's kind of becoming a little bit of an eyesore, so I'm going to clean out one of those cabinets over there and just make a nice organized board game area. I'm not going to go crazy putting everything away, but I am just going to straighten up the toys on the floor here. I'm just going to put everything in the bin and just set it aside. And that's it for my 10-minute tidy, guys. I just wanted to make sure that I got the house straightened up so we can have a productive, organized day. Now we're gonna go ahead and play some Clue. I picked up this game at Walmart the last time I was there picking up some groceries, because that's all we've been doing lately is board games, and the kids are obsessed with this game. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed down below so you guys don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!